Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. We are going to learn our new letter. All right. The letter B. B says B, B, B. All right, look right here. Capital B, lowercase b. B says B, B, B. All right. So I want you to look at this letter. This one right here is the lowercase b, and it has a pull down with a belly in the front. A B, B, belly. All right. So let's look and learn our story for the week. All right. Little Johnny was at the store. He was at the store with his mommy. And he found a bell on the shelf and he started ringing it. He was ringing that bell, ringing that bell. And it was really loud. And his mom said, "That's so rude." She said, "Stop ringing that bell." And he said, "B, b, b, I want to. B, b, b." B says b, b, b for bell, for ringing that bell. B, 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 I want to. All right. The letter B, capital B, lowercase b. B says b, b, b for bell. B, bell for b, bone. For b, bat. And for b, boat. All right, let's see how we write the letter B. Capital B is a pull down. A hump. A hump. Lowercase b is a pull down with belly in the front. Capital B pull down. A hump. A hump. Lowercase b pull down with a belly in the front. All right, guys, don't forget our story. Ringing that bell, and Mommy said, "Quit ringing that bell." And he said, "B, b, b, I want to." Bye, guys.